This is 500 gram flour and then 250 milliliter water and a small package of yeast, and this is a bit of salt. Several spoons of sugar. Add some water, half amount of the flour, and then mix. Add some pieces of butter.
Like 120, 150. Sumber air.
It cool off for 1 hour.
They call it, the star is proofing, 1 hour proofing.
It's already got bigger.
Di sini wala nila. Enggak, saya aja. Itu sudah saya tak bentuk kecil-kecil. It will grow, will rise.
You have to wait another hour after this.
Ya, fine. Biar nggak lekat.
Hour waiting.
Belum sudah kepingin makan lagi. She's going to put it in now.
Waited a half hour since before, and then we put it in for 20 minutes. 180 degrees.
For a few minutes. Bottom is okay. But you have to try.